Step into the 2012 Audi Q5. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Audi prioritized handling and performance with features such as power trunk closing assist, one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, and power front seats. Audi also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.